Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be unboxing the Shargeek Storm 2 battery bank. I picked this up on Amazon. It was like $169, I think it was. I picked this up to compare to my Anker power bank, the 737, I believe. So we're just going to unbox it here and take a look at it, see what you guys get in the box, and just look at the overall design itself, because this is a pretty cool power bank, and you'll see why here in a few seconds. Very nice packaging. Alright. So you got your instruction manual here. Got a little drawstring carrying bag here, the yellow logo on it. Got a nice USB-C to USB-C cable here. Also that black and yellow theming. Feels like a pretty good quality cable. And then, last but not least, we have the battery bank itself. It is wrapped in plastic. Here we go. Ooh, as you can see, it just turned on when I took that off. So it's got a nice little LCD screen on it. You can do a bunch of different things with this. So if you hold it, you have a menu here. The DC output is adjustable, so you can adjust it right here on the built-in LCD. It shows each battery cell's voltage, your charge cycles, and your battery life. So like your battery health. Temperature units for the temperature on the screen, and your display sleep time. You can power off the power bank and exit the menu. So when you exit the menu here, you have your in and out voltage for your ports right here, and then you have your voltage total, your amperage total, and your battery and board temperature, as well as total time. So that's you can plug something in and that timer will start counting. So it'll count the total charge time on a device, and then you can go to the menu and reset that if you want. And then for your ports here, you have your DC in out, so you can do either in or out with that port. Like I said, the voltage is adjustable on that. You have your 100 watt in and out USB-C. You have a USB-C right here, which I believe is up to 30 watts, and then a USB-A right there. And that USB-A is up to 12 volts. So 12 volts, 1 amp, 1.5 amps, or 5 volts. Looks like 3 amps, 2 amps. Can't really, it's kind of hard to see that yellow on there. But there's all your charging specifications right there for your inputs and outputs. And then it's going to be 30 watts max on the USB-A as well. So that is the Shargeek Storm 2. Nice see-through power bank. Samsung cells in there. Very high quality feeling power bank. I can't wait to try this out against the Anker. The LCD does have a few more features than the Anker, such as the individual cell voltage and the DC and stuff like that. So, like I said, looking forward to comparing that. I'll have a review on this here shortly. I'm about to take it on a trip. So when I get back from that trip, I'll go ahead and do a review and comparison against the Anker 737. Colin here with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.